Born in chaos, the planet nurtured life through fire and ice. Oxygen allowed life to grow and spread across the planet. Life settled into a rhythm and pattern. Then fires burned from within. Most of life was wiped out. And the dinosaurs came to rule for millions of years. Disaster from space wiped them away. And the mammals would rise and dominate the miracle planet. Today, Zhejiang province in southern China is a place of agriculture and growth. And the rocks here show evidence of the greatest mass extinction the planet has experienced. For geologists, this is a window into the past.
Hey Sam, maybe you can find your charcoal today with sunshine. So you want to go out from here?
Yeah, and here the...
Geologists Dr. Yugen Jin and Dr. Douglas Irwin are seeking answers to exactly what did cause almost all the life on Earth to become extinct. These rocks were once a part of a vanished sea. And where they end marks one of the boundaries where the world changed. Although very limited in numbers, there are some fossils that still remain. These attracted attention, for they hinted at a total change in the environment.
Chlorios are paper-thin, incredibly abundant. So you find pavements of tens of thousands of these very thin bivalves in the early Triassic. Many times bivalves similar to this are found in low oxygen settings. So one hypothesis is that the abundance of this particular species indicates that there were low oxygen conditions in the earliest part of the Triassic.
It seems that the planet heated up at the same time as oxygen levels plummeted. Some cataclysmic event had spread across the globe. Clues to what happened came from the oil fields in the west of Siberia. As they drilled deeper, a remarkable discovery was made. The bedrock beneath the oil layer was lava, which reached down almost 2 miles beneath the Earth's surface.
Глина красная, да?
Samples of the lava were dated back to exactly the same time as the mass extinction. The spread of lava was even greater than it was first thought. It bulged out to cover an area almost the size of Western Europe. This mountain range was once molten lava. What happened was the greatest volcanic eruption to have ever occurred in the long history of the planet. Researchers from Russia and the United Kingdom began to suspect that the eruption in Siberia was in some way responsible for the global extinction of so many species. The team was led by Dr. Andrew Saunders of Leicester University. It could have been just another peaceful day. The force of the eruption shot lava as high as 3,000 meters, almost 10,000 feet into the air. Curtains of blazing fire stretched across the horizon. Nothing living in the immediate area could have escaped. Dr. Saunders and his team began to explore just what caused this massive eruption. Gradually, their attention was drawn to huge rifts and splits beneath the surface of West Siberia. Some are 100 kilometers or 60 miles wide, and they stretch for almost 1,000 miles. He thinks these are evidence of what caused the massive eruptions.
The uplift, the doming that triggered this rifting, also we estimate was of the order of 1,000, perhaps 1,500 kilometres across. Again, you're looking at an area of a substantial portion of Western Europe. The end of the Cretaceous, we see evidence that the impact came from above. A meteorite impact 65 million years ago, extinguishing a large amount of life. But at the end of the Permian, what we seem to be seeing is that there's impact from beneath, from deep within the Earth. And this seems to have been causing extinction at that time.
The doming that Dr. Saunders talks about is a phenomenon caused by the molten rocks just below the crust. In parts of the planet, this rock experiences greater vertical movements than were previously imagined. In the vicinity of deep ocean trenches, some dramatic movements have been detected. In one, an enormous rock plate has gradually dropped into the regions close to the Earth's core. In other parts of the world, surges of the heated rock have also been detected. The mantle moves closer to the Earth's crust, and this is what scientists think happened in Siberia. When land masses are clustered together, there is a greater possibility of this occurring. 300 million years ago, there was one supercontinent, Pangaea.